Back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to find the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. So right here we have our sequence. And before just saying that this is an arithmetic sequence, we want to first determine whether it is or isn't. So how would we do that? How would we determine if this is an arithmetic sequence? Well, let's just go to our first term here. We have 6, and because this is our first term, let's just say that this term is ace of 1. And now let's have a look at 9. This is going to be our second term, so this is ace of 2. And 12 here, this is our third term, so this is ace of 3. So to get to 9 from 6, well, what do we add? We add 3, right? So this is plus 3. And what we add to get to the next term, that's known as the common difference. And the common difference is given by the variable d. So d is equal to the common difference. So 3 here, 3 is what we add to get to the next term. So 3 would be our common difference, also known as d. And to get to 9 from 12, well, we have to do the same thing, right? We have to add 3. And same for 12 to 15, 15 to 18, 18 to 21, and 21 to 24. And because all these common differences are the same, we know that this in fact is an arithmetic sequence. However, if let's say 24, if this wasn't 24, if this was 25 instead, then this sequence would not be an arithmetic sequence because the common difference must stay the same for the entire sequence. Even if one term changes, then that leads to the entire sequence not being an arithmetic sequence. All right, so now that we know this, how would we find the nth term of the sequence? Let's just say we want to find the 15th term of the sequence, right? How would we do this? Well, to find the nth term of the arithmetic sequence, we actually have a formula. The formula goes by ace of n, n being the term we want to find. So the nth term, that's essentially what ace of n is equal to ace of 1, the first term of the sequence, plus d, the common difference, as I taught you guys about that before, times n minus 1, n being the term we want to find. So if we want to find the 15th term of the sequence, well, let's plug this into our formula. Ace of 15 equals, well, ace of 1, that's 6, right? 6 is our first term. So ace of 1 is 6 plus d. D is our common difference, and remember, d is what we add to get to the next term, and as we already stated, that is 3. So plus 3 times n minus 1. Well, n is the term we want to find. N is going to be 15 because we want to find the 15th term. So 3 times 15 minus 1. All right, so now we can simply solve this. So this equals 6 plus 3 times 15 minus 1 is simply 14. And this equals 3 times 14 is 42. So we have 42 plus 6. And 42 plus 6 is 48. So 48 is our 15th term. All right, so Now that we've got a good idea of how to find the nth term of a sequence, I want you guys to try to find the 20th term of this sequence. What is ace of 20? All right, so I'm guessing you guys have had a chance to try to solve this. So remember, we're going to plug this into our formula here. Well, our first term, as we already know, is 6 plus d, our common difference, is 3 times n minus 1. We want to find our 20th term, so n is going to be 20. And then we have our minus 1. All right, so now we could simply solve this. 20 minus 1 is 19, so we have 6 plus 3 times 19. 3 times 19, that is going to be 57 plus 6. And this is equal to 57 plus 6 is 63. So our 20th term, ace of 20, is equal to 63. And that's how you find the nth term of an arithmetic sequence.